Right, this is a really important section of the course, and this is something that a lot of traders will struggle with. It's brokers. So what is a broker? How can a broker help me? What does a broker do? And how do I select the best broker? Right, the first thing, I'm just going to do a quick summary of what a Forex broker actually is. A Forex broker is obviously it's a third-party company that will process our trade orders for us. So they will give us a platform. We can take a trade on our platform and they will process the orders because we have no direct links to any central interbanks or anybody that can process financial orders for us. So what we do, we just look for a decent broker that's offering us really, really low spreads, margins, leverage, actually everything that we need in order to make some decent money. We go to our broker, we put money into a trading account and we can trade. And then the broker will do all the processing work for us. But unfortunately out there's a lot of brokers that are in the habit of taking a lot of money off of you, the individual trader, rather than actually helping you. If you find a good broker, they can be like your best friend. Brokers make good money from the spreads that you take. So every time you take a trade, the broker will actually make money. So it's in their interest to keep you trading and keep your account alive as long as possible. So we don't want these brokers that are looking for lots of money off us very, very quickly and then waiting for the next customer to come in. We want the broker that's going to charge us a little amount, keep us alive longer, and obviously help us with our trading. So I'm based in the UK. So the first thing that I'm going to do is look for a FCA, which is the Financial Conduct Authority regulated broker. It's his broker, right? And I'm going to be looking for a Financial Conduct Authority's regulated broker. If you really want to be a bit more accurate, just put Forex at the end. And what we're going to be looking is for a broker that's regulated, or a list of brokers that's regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. If you want to read more about the Financial Conduct Authority, fca.org, their website is there. I suggest that any trader, even taking this course, has a quick look on the regulated broker section and just have a little read about what regulations they're actually implementing for brokers. So what we're going to do, we're going to quickly just see if we can find the list. 100forexbrokers.com, FCA regulated. So we're going to find a generic list of regulated Forex brokers. Here we are. And a lot of you may see brokers that you're currently using or brokers that you've never heard of. But you've got a good chance of success if you do choose a broker that is regulated. There are variations of regulations for like the US and obviously the Asian traders. Obviously in Tokyo and Japan, they've got their own regulations compared to the US. The FCA do a variation for the US traders, but for the UK, there's their most dominant sort of section. So we try and look for, in the UK, we look for FCA regulated brokers. So I'm just going to go through. There's quite a few I've heard of. I'm just randomly going to choose one. ETX Capital. I know a lot of you have probably heard of ETX Capital. And it will take you through to the broker's websites. What I am going to suggest you do is not click a link. So you can see all these website lists here. Okay. I'm not actually going to click a link because what these probably are affiliates for 100brokers.com's owner. So by clicking on any one of these brokerages, they're going to get an IB, which is an introducing broker commission. And for every trade you take, 100forexbrokers.com will be making a little bit of money. And what that will do is put you into a completely different group of trader than you want to be. You want to be an individual trader. You don't want to be someone that's been referred by someone else, because then the broker will just treat you as marketing material and you won't always get the best deal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go direct to ETX and not use the affiliation link from 100 brokers. So there you are, ETX Capital. And there we are. So in the next video, we're actually going to look at signing up for a broker. I'm actually going to also give you a video about selecting a broker that's FCA regulated, and we'll give you free £20 of real money to actually trade with. And that way we can actually open up a broker, trade with real money without actually having to deposit any money ourselves. So you can try the broker out using real free money, and it's much better than ever using a demo account. So we're going to be looking at that, and we're also going to be covering the differences in platform.